If your subject's skin shines like a freshly polished bowling ball, you are in the right place. You know that look: forehead, nose, chin glowing like a roadmap to an oil field. Well, today I'm declaring war on greasy shine, and I've got two secret weapons. The first, the most effective, fastest and easiest manual method on earth to fix it in Photoshop. It's a pro trick that takes about half a minute. And second, what if I told you we could do it automatically with even better quality in just one click? Let's get into it. Look at this shiny skin. Let's matte it down. Press B for the brush tool, set opacity to 50% by hitting 5 and change the brush mode to darken. Hold down the Option key to sample a color right next to the shine. Set your brush size with the square brackets, and then in one stroke without lifting your finger, paint right over the shine. For the most accurate results, sample a fresh color for each new glare. How cool is that? I'm working directly on the original layer. Sample the color, set the brush size, paint it over. Sample, set the size, paint. Sample, set, paint. Sample, set, paint. Sample, set, paint. I call this the SSP method. No extra layers, no tricky masks, no complex selections. And if you change your mind, just hit Command Z to undo. No regrets. Now let's compare before and after. Goes from the fast food shift to film star in seconds. Looks easier when I do it. The speed comes with practice. Do it 100 times and it will become second nature. Ready to see how the pros do it when they are in rush? Let's move on. So what if you have 100 photos, or do you just want perfect results without manual labor? Let me show you how to get an even better finish faster and automatically. I copy the layer, then go into Filter, Retouch for me, Mattifier. The plugin interface is beautifully simple. You can fine-tune the matte effect with the blend slider. I check this layer mode box for maximum control and click apply. All you need to do is change the blending mode to darken and adjust the opacity to your taste. And just like that. Look at this. Before, after. To really see what it corrected, I will create a new layer between the retouched version and the original and fill it with solid black. Now watch this. Look at these beautiful details it preserved. Every wrinkle, every pore is still there. And see how within a single shine area the plugin's correction has variation, different levels of opacity, hue and saturation. Now ask yourself, how long would it take me to paint all that by hand? Also, the plugin fixes not only the face here. This is a truly intelligent, surgical tool. So you can just take my word for it, believe in it like you believed in Santa Claus. Or find the link below, download the plugin and see the magic in your own photos. I wish checking on Santa were that simple. Alright, let's step out of the studio and into the real world. Check out this shot from the scorching hot day. Sun blazing, people sweating, ice cream melting, and the photographer doing the absolute best lights up a flash right in the face. And we'll see how that turned out. There's a lot of shine to deal with here. Now let's tackle it in one click as I promised. I will use the same plugin, but this time I'm running it from the Retouch for me Photoshop panel. You can adjust the blend strength right here, then just hit this little play button next to the plugin's name. The panel automatically creates a separate non-destructive layer with all the retouching and sets its blending mode to darken. Literally, it took just one click. This is how pros burn through their editing queues every single day. Before, after. Before, after. Quickly, impeccable quality. And the best part, the whole process can be fully automated using the panel for batch retouching. If you have hundreds of photos like this, imagine the time you'd save. So which method will you choose? The fast manual fix or the one-click AI perfection? The power is in your hands now. Make it count. I believe in you.